my dear students. Today we are going to discuss about 12th accountancy, chapter number 5. We already solved sum number 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, now I am going to solve about, that is problem number 5. Okay, so revaluation of that is a accumulated loss and profit and reserves and surplus distributed to old partners. Okay, we already discussed. And the next topic is revaluation of assets and liabilities. I already told some concept. Assets, in case the assets are increased in your problem, that amount comes under revaluation account in the credit side. Decrease means in revaluation account debit side. Okay, so that is loss. That is your company face some loss. Okay, so that is that amounts are comes under debit side. Okay, so in case liabilities are increased, the liabilities increased means that is a loss. Okay, so that amounts are comes under debit side. Okay, so in case the value that your liabilities account or liabilities amount are increased. Okay, so the company face that profit. Okay, that is enjoying the profit. So this amount comes under credit side. Okay, so in this problem, increased as Seenu and Siva are the partners sharing profit and losses in the ratio 5:3. The view of Kausalya admission, they decided to increase the value of building by rupees 40,000. Okay, so problem number 5, chapter number 5, problem number 5. Okay. Okay, so Seenu and Siva, the partners sharing profit 5:3. Okay, so and they admitted one person, that is Kausalya. Okay, Kausalya. So now to increase the value of building by 40,000. Increase the value of building by 40,000. Increase the value of building. Building increase. The first point, building will be increase. Building increase 40,000. Second one, bring into record investment. ஒரு அசெட்டை ரெக்கார்ட் பண்ணுறீங்க, ஒரு அசெட்டை உள்ளே கொண்டு வரீங்க, அடிஷ்னல் இன்வெஸ்ட்மெண்ட் ஆகிருக்கு. ஸோ அப்போ தட் இஸ் கால்ட் அஸ் ப்ராஃபிட். ஸோ தட் அமௌண்ட் கம்ஸ் அண்டர் யுவர், that amounts are increased because it is called as profit. Okay, it is called as profit. That is investment. The amount is 10,000. The amount is 10,000. Okay, next, decrease the value of machinery by 14,000 and furniture. Decrease means that is loss. This is the profit. This amount comes under credit side. Okay, in revaluation comes under credit side. Okay, so next one, decrease machinery and furniture. Okay, fourth one, right of sundry creditor. Right off அர்த்தம் குறையுது. So reduce the value. So reduce the sundry creditors value. So right of sundry creditor. So reduce. Okay, so this is profit. Okay, write off means that is reduced, that is profit. The amount is 16,000. Okay, now I am going to open the journal entry. Okay, so date, date. So here day particulars debit credit. Okay, so when you are opening revaluation account, first you have to open that journal entry. Okay, so first building rupees 40,000, that is a increase. So increase means asset account debtor to revaluation account. Okay, so building account debtor to building account debtor to revaluation account. That amount is 40,000. 40,000. Okay, so that amount is increased. So what is the narration? Appreciation, the appreciation in value of building, appreciation in value of building increased. Okay, value of building increase, building account debtor to revaluation account. Okay, so next investment increase, investment 10,000. So investment increase means asset account debtor to revaluation account. So investment account debtor to investment account debtor to revaluation account. Okay, revaluation account. What is the amount? 10,000. And here also 10,000. Okay, so appreciation in value of investment increase. Increase அப்படினா revaluation accountல credit side போடு, decrease னா investment debit side போடு, அவ்வளவுதான். That's all. Okay, liabilities increase அப்படினா debit side, increase na decrease na that is the credit side. Okay, so second entry is over. Next one, decrease the machinery. Okay, machinery, value of machinery and furniture. What is the narration? What is the journal entry? Revaluation account debtor to revaluation account debtor to machinery because of reduce. These are the profit. Okay, these are the profit. Is reduce machinery account to furniture account. 14,000, 12,000, 26,000. Okay, so decrease in value of assets. Okay, so this is a third entry. Fourth entry. What is the fourth entry? Write off sundry creditor. Write off means that is a decrease. So sundry creditor account debtor to sundry creditor. Sundry creditors account debtor to revaluation account. Okay, revaluation account. Okay, so what is the amount? 16,000. Okay, decrease the value of liabilities because sundry creditor one of the liability. Okay, so we have only the last entry. So we have only one more entry, that is the first entry, building out the revaluation account, that revaluation account to furniture, then other revaluation account to investment account revaluation account, revaluation account to machinery, furniture, sundry creditor account revaluation because of write off. Write off means that is a reduce the value in liability. Okay, now I am going to open the second step. Revaluation account. Step 2. Okay, first one, increase the value of building. So buy building account 60,000, sorry 40,000. Next one, bring into a record investment, buy investment. So investment account data revaluation account. I already open the ledger. Okay, buy investment 10,000. Okay, next one, decrease the machinery to machinery. The amount is 14,000 to what? To furniture 12,000. Okay, so here 50,000 and 26,000. So and one more transaction, that is a buy sundry creditor 16,000. So totally 66,000. You have to separate from this value 60 then 26 40,000. So total amount, this is the amount 40,000. This is a difference amount. Okay, so now profit on revaluation to profit on revaluation. Okay, so first one, who are the debt, partners? Chinu. What is the ratio? 5:3. 5:3. Okay, 5:3. So 40,000 into 5 divided 8. Totally 8. Okay, so 5. So Sinus capital account 25,000. Next, Sinus capital. Next, Siva's capital. Siva's capital account. Okay. 3 divided 8, 5, 15,000. Totally 40,000. Okay. So by building account, investment, sundry credit, these are the profits. Okay, these are the losses. You have to appear in this side. So now the last entry, revaluation of a debtor to revaluation account debtor 40,000 to Sinus capital. $40,000 into 5/8, 25,000 to Siva's capital. Capital account 15,000. Okay, so now this profit and revaluation transfer to profit on revaluation account transfer to old partner. Old partners. Okay, old partners. Old partners. Okay, so this is the sum. This is the problem. Okay, first step I already opened journal entry, building account data revaluation, investment account revaluation, then revaluation account data to finishing machine furniture, then sundry credit account data to revaluation account. Okay, so the last, this is the main entry. We have to divide the profit to the old partner. That is the problem. Okay, next the problem 6. Sai and Sankar partners sharing profit and loss in the ratio 5:3. Okay, so the firm's balance sheet as on 31st December 2017 as follows. Okay, there is a capital account, Sai Sankar capital account divided. Then building, furniture, investment, debtors, less provision for bad and outputters. Okay, then bills receivable, stock, bank. Okay, these are the balance sheet and the liabilities. So what are the adjustments? Furniture is to be revalued for the 5,000. So 5,000 is one of the furniture, one of the revaluation account data to revaluation account data to the furniture account revaluation account. Building also one of the increase. Okay, so in these cases, in this problem, we have to compare balance sheet and adjustments. That is very important. Okay, for here in asset, in our balance sheet the amount is 6,000. Here furniture is 5,000. So increase, so decrease. So revaluation account to furniture account. Building is revealed. Already building having 34,000, here 50,000. So 16,000 increase. So building account to revaluation account. Provision for double debtors increase. Okay. So here 3,000, here 5,500. So 2,500 increase. So if I increase means that is a loss. Okay, that is loss. Then unrecorded investment by 6,000 is already told. So in investment account to revaluation account. Unrecorded liability 2,500. So unrecorded liability to be recorded now means that is a loss. Okay, so revaluation account to unrecorded liability. Okay, first you have to open the journal entries, then revaluation account. Okay, now finally you have to calculate share of profit. Okay, so in these cases, in this problem, you have to compare that balance sheet and that adjustments. That is very important thing. Here building furniture 6,000, here 5,000. So in decrease the value. Okay, already told decrease means in revaluation account you have to appear the value is called as one of the loss. Okay, and also increase means one of the value is called as one of the profit. Okay, so I think I'm going to solve the problem in next video. I hope you are very well understanding about this problem 5. Very important problem, very important concept also. Thank you for listening to my video. Thank you so much.